Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to edit a form in the Zoho Forms, and I'll actually do a demonstration of migrating over from a quote to a POC. So very similar to what we did in Jot Forms. At the very bottom of this of your salesperson email is a hyperlink to take you back in to make any necessary edits that you need to make. So I click that, and it will open up my screen. Now I'm back in my original version. So as you can see, I had originally created a quote. So if I change this over to a purchase order, and then I scroll down, you'll see that my quote chassis have now changed to be able to select an available VIN. So now I can select what VIN I want. So let's just say I want a Premium Plus, and then I want to select this VIN. This is the VIN that I've been assigned by Julie in the office. So then I select that, and it adjusts my price. And then I can continue to go through and build anything that I need to make the necessary changes. So it's relatively simple. Again, I can go in and make changes to the seating. So I can make the seating get more expensive or less expensive, or delete things that customers change their mind on, and it calculates perfectly. So if you have any questions on editing or updating a purchase order, just let me know. But it's relatively simple, just like JotForm was, where you can go in and out and edit it how you need. Now you can also change the functionality from a purchase order to a quote and vice versa if needed.